Understanding the YouTube analytics is crucial to the growth of your YouTube channel. This is where you go to find out what's working and what's not. So therefore you can tweak things in your videos or with your videos to see what's gonna work and what's not. But there's one problem. Not everyone knows how to read and understand their analytics. So in this video, I'm gonna go through step by step what each metric mean and how to leverage it to get more views and grow your channel. This video is in collaboration with It's Me Morgan. I'm gonna have a link to his channel in the description. Be sure to head over to his channel after you finish watching this video to learn more about your analytics. Welcome back to my channel, and if it is your first time here, welcome. If you want to learn how to start a YouTube channel or even just to grow your YouTube channel, then you're in the right place because I'm here to help you grow your influence on YouTube using your videos. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, consider subscribing as I make videos 3 times a week all about YouTube and how to grow your channel and get more views. So to get to your YouTube analytics, you're just going to click on your profile picture right here. Then you're going to go to YouTube Studio. And from the drop down, you're going to click on Analytics from your dashboard. Okay, so we're going to start with the Overview tab. Here you can see a big message from YouTube saying, okay, views are up. Your channel got whatever amount of views you got for that for the last 28 days. And this you can change right here in the corner to 7 days. Or you can change it to 90 days, whichever one you choose. Or you can put it on 365 days. So I'm going to let mine stay on 28 days. Here you can see how much subscribers you've gained over the past 28 days. You can see how many watch hours and how many views your channel got. Moving along, as you go down, you're going to see this is each and every video that you have uploaded on your channel. So you can see here, right here, I upload 2 videos for this day. Not that I upload 2 videos, but because live, YouTube see live as an upload. So right here, it is saying that I upload 2 videos, but it's just that I uploaded a video and I think I went live that night. No, it was that afternoon. It was at that afternoon that I went live that day, I remember. And over here, I also have 2 upload because I also again went live. Okay. Over to the extreme right, where you see real time. That is literally showing you people that are traffic that is coming to your channel in real time. So right here, you can see that in the last hour, which is between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock, which is literally just a couple minutes ago, I got 1 view. And right here, between 3 and 4, I got another view. So that is literally in real time. It's showing you. And it's telling you which, down here it is showing you what video is getting you those views, your top videos. So right now I got those views from unboxing the free baby items. And under that it shows you your latest video. As you scroll down to the bottom, you can see all the videos that are on your channel. And you can see the average view duration, that is how long somebody watched the video for, and you can also see it in percentage. And also to the right of that, you see how much views each video got. Also, you can see here in this lineup, right here you can see in this lineup that YouTube put your videos in order by views. So which one got the most views, which one has the least views. That's how it's lined up right here. So if we go back up to the top to this graph right here, we're gonna hit see more, and this is gonna give you so much more information that you can dive into to see what is happening on your channel. If you can see here, traffic source, geography, viewers age, viewers gender, this gives you so much information. And if this channel was monetized, then you could see also the revenue right here. But the channel is not monetized, so We ain't gonna pay attention to that part today. So let's hit on the subscription status, the traffic source, I'm sorry. So here on the traffic source, you can see that most of my views are coming from channel page. Then you have playlists, and then you have browse features. Then you have suggested videos. And if you click on each one of these, it gives you even more information. So for example, let's click on channel page. So now we're on channel page. It's telling me that literally I get views from my channel. So basically, I guess probably somebody searched my channel name and they go to directly to my channel and they watch the videos there. That's how that traffic source work. So now we're gonna go back to another one. And as I say, if you continue, you can see geography, like where they watch from. So you can see Russia, United States. Oh my God. For some reason I have a lot of views from Russia. But yeah, then United States, then India, then Japan, and it goes on and on. So this right here, this information right here can help you to know when to upload. Because if you see that most of your views are coming from your channel page, and then when you hit on your channel page, you see that most of your views are coming from Russia, it is now up to me to figure out what time my audience, because most likely, I don't know, I think Russia and United States are different time zone. So it's up to me to figure out when to upload, so that I upload when they're up, so that they can see my video. So as I say, that's how you know, that's how your YouTube analytics give you information that can help you to get more views. And that's a perfect example. Alright, so now we're going to hit on playlists. When you hit on playlists, and as you can see, as you go across, it tells you your watch time hour, your average view duration, like how long people watch your videos for, and it shows you how much impression you got. What is impression? Impression is how much time YouTube show your videos to people. So for example, if you go on the home page, whatever videos are there, the fact that you're looking at it, that's an impression. So they're gonna get an impression from you looking at it. Whether you click or not, then that's a different thing. So if you go here to impression click-through rate, that is how many people click when they get that impression. Okay, so here you can see that my top traffic source right here is my YouTube series playlist, and then the one under the next one would be the YouTube tips and advice for new YouTubers. So literally, as I say, you can get so much information from diving into your analytics. Next, you have suggested videos. Suggested videos is when you're on YouTube watching a video. Those are videos that are showing up beside the videos you're watching, or if you're on the phone, it's going to be beneath those videos. Those are suggested videos. So while you're watching a video, there's always like probably 20-30 videos that are on the side. So those are suggested videos. So right here, I can see that I got some views from my videos being suggested. And if you click on that, it also gives you more information. So each one of these you click on, it gives you more information, where your people are watching your video from, the age, the gender, and all of that. So you can go through literally and learn so much about your video. So therefore, you can tweak it, as I say. So if you see that somebody's watching from a different time zone, you can make sure to upload on their daylight so that they can see your video. So you don't upload when it's best for you, you upload when it's best for your viewers. Next, you have YouTube search. This is when somebody literally type in the topic that you title your video. Type in your title, and that is when your video is gonna pop up. A whole list of videos is gonna pop up, but they choose to click on your video. So that is YouTube search. And here it is showing free baby stuff. See, it's just showing you all the different videos that people search for, that you get these views. It shows exactly where my views came from. So under the reach tab at the top, you can see impression, click-through rate, views, and unique views. A lot of people don't really know the difference between the views and the unique views. And all that mean is the views is the number of time somebody watched that video. The unique views is the number of time each person watched the video. So if somebody play back the video 10 times, that's going to be views, but it's going to only be one unique view because it's one person. I hope that makes sense. So let's say I have 6,000 views, but I have 3,000 unique views. That simply means that the video or my videos were watched 6,000 times, but only 3,000 people watch it 6,000 times. So probably you have a couple people there that play back the video or watch the video more than one time. So you get 6,000 views, but 3,000 unique views, 3,000 people. Make sense? So let's take a look at traffic source. This is going to tell you how people are finding your video and where people are finding your video. So for even more information, click on see more. Right here at the traffic source, you can just click on see more. And you can see YouTube put it in order by which one give you more views. Where do you get your views from? So where you get most of your views is going to be at the top, and where you get the least of your views is going to be at the bottom. If you click on each traffic source, so when you look at these traffic source, it can literally tell you what you need to improve on. For example, here on my traffic source, I see that channel page is at the top, then playlist. For some reason, that's weird, my playlist get more views. Okay, that's good though. So channel page, playlist, then browse feature, then suggested videos, then YouTube search. In my opinion, you want to have these three at the top: browse feature, suggested video, and YouTube search. Those three, in my opinion, should be at the top. So that simply means that I have some work to do here, but it's good that I have browse feature in the third place. So next on my page, I have playlists. As I say, it's weird, but yeah. So this basically just tells you that you're getting views from your playlist, and if you click on it, it tells you which playlists are getting you views. Next, I have browse feature. The browse feature is basically anywhere YouTube show your video. So if you click on it, it will tell you. So when you click on browse feature, you're gonna see home, subscription, watch later, and watch history. So you're gonna see that, okay, you get the impressions that you got from homepage, the impressions that you got from your subscription, your watch later, and your watch history. So that's what homepage is. Next, here you have suggested videos. Suggested videos is when, you know, like when you're on YouTube watching a video, videos that show up to the side, or if you're on the phone, it shows up at the bottom. That's what is called suggested videos. So after you finish watching this video, those are the videos that YouTube suggests. So if you have suggested video here in your lineup, simple means that your videos are being suggested. That's where you're getting your views from. What you should aim for is for your videos to be suggesting your videos. So simple means that when somebody watch your video should be on the side waiting for them to click on it, instead of your video leading to somebody else's video, somebody else's channel. Next, you have YouTube search. When you click on this, This gives you a better idea of what video led people to your video. So right here, you can use this to your advantage, because if you can see what video led people to your video, then you can see what people are searching for, and you can create topics like those to get more views. Next, you have external. This tells you where your views are coming from anywhere outside of YouTube. So whether you share your link with family and friends, whether on Instagram or WhatsApp, anything that is outside of YouTube, that is external. And when you click on it, it's going to show you where your views are coming from specifically, and how much views you get at that certain places. Next up is notification. This is just if your subscribers hit the bell. So as long as your subscribers hit the bell, so when you publish a new video, the notification goes to them. So basically this tells you that, okay, then they see your notification, that's where your views are coming from. Then you have direct or unknown. This means YouTube have no idea where your views are coming from, where those views are coming from. I know, weird, right? Next, you have YouTube features, right? And when you click on this, you're gonna see YouTube remote, and you're gonna see offline. Offline is straightforward. Basically, people save your videos and watching them offline. That's basically what that is. The YouTube remote is a Google extension that allows you to watch a YouTube video in another tab while you're doing something else. So if, say for example, you're on Instagram, but you want to watch your favorite YouTube video while you're on Instagram, or if you're studying but you still want to watch listen music on YouTube, you can use the YouTube remote to be watching a YouTube video while you're on another tab. That's what that does. Next, you have end screen. This is views that you get from people clicking on the end screen that you put at the end of your video. Next, you have playlist page. This tells you which playlist you're getting the most views from, and YouTube put it in order, as in what playlist is at the top, then second and third, so you know exactly where your views are coming from. And finally, cards and annotation. This is when you add cards to your videos and people actually click on it, so it's telling you what video you're getting views from by cards. Remember that this video was a collaboration with It's Me Morgan, so please head over to his channel now and learn more about your analytics and how to get more views. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.